Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify to create a website. First, you'll select a suitable Shopify plan for your business, which typically costs around $29 per month for the basic option. Next, register your unique store name and set up your account. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the intuitive Shopify dashboard. This central hub provides access to all the tools you'll need to build and manage your online store effectively. Now, let's make your store look great. Head over to the Shopify theme store and pick a professional theme that aligns with your brand. There are many free and paid options available. After selecting, customize it with your logo, colors, and fonts to create a unique look. Don't forget to add crucial pages like About Us and Contact to provide important information to your customers. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is key, especially when building a website. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. Check the description below for a link to the Owala bottle and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your design in place, it's time to add your products. Upload clear, high-quality images and write compelling descriptions that highlight key features. Carefully set your pricing, manage inventory levels, and define shipping options for each item. To enhance the customer experience, organize your products into logical collections, making it simple for shoppers to find exactly what they're looking for on your site. Before launching, you need to set up your payment systems. Configure secure payment gateways, such as Shopify payments, to accept credit cards and other methods. Next, accurately set up your shipping rates and tax settings to ensure smooth transactions. Finally, thoroughly review your entire store, checking all links and product details. Once everything looks perfect, hit that launch button and open your online store to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.